Hello children, my dear 4th class children. How did you celebrate Diwali? I hope you did well. Coming to the lesson, day before yesterday, already we have completed 5th lesson children. Already we have discussed no children 5th lesson teeth and microbes. 5th lesson we have discussed. Now it is the time to complete the textbook. Okay, textual exercises many are there, blanks, true or false, matching. Okay, and one word answers also there ma. If you have textbook, please open it. Okay children, open the page number 41. Page number 41 open children. Already I wrote blanks on the board. First one read first one. Dash teeth do not fall on their own. A human has 2 sets of teeth, no children. Once recall, what are the 2 sets of teeth in human life? Temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth, how many? 20, no? Yes, also called milk teeth, no? Okay. At the age of 5 or 6 years, all milk teeth may fall, no? In their place, a new set of teeth, okay, grow that place. That set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Once you lost permanent teeth, that is not, yes, doctor will arrange one new teeth. Okay children, yes, okay. New, okay, first blank read amma. Teeth do not fall on their own. Teeth do not fall on their own. Which teeth do not fall on their own? Which teeth do not fall on their milk teeth or permanent teeth? Yes, you are right. Permanent teeth. Okay, permanent teeth do not fall on their own. Okay. Permanent teeth. Okay, permanent teeth do not fall on their own. So an adult has 32 permanent teeth, no children. Upper jaw 16, lower jaw 16. Once you lost the permanent teeth, no new teeth will appear in that place. Doctor will arrange one new set of teeth. Okay children, next. An adult has how many permanent teeth? 32. Okay, next bit. At the age of 2 or 3 years, a baby has 20 primary teeth. 20 primary teeth, which also called, primary teeth also called milk teeth. Okay, primary teeth also called milk teeth. Okay, go for page number 42. Page number 42, they given true or false form. I am reading the question. Okay, you may tell answer. You may tell answer. Now here 4 true or false given. The 4 front teeth in both upper and lower jaw are called incisors. The front 4 teeth are called, what we call? What we call the front 4 teeth? Incisors. So this is the true. Okay, and second bit listen. Okay, there are 12 incisors in our mouth. There are 12 incisors. How many incisors in our mouth? Upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4. Totally 8. But they given here 12 incisors. Is it a true or false? Definitely it is a false. Okay. So there are 12 incisors in our mouth. That's why it is a false. Now third one, canines are 5 in number. Canines, either side of the incisors, we have canines, no children. This side one, this side one. Upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2. Okay, canines are 5 in number. That's why it is a false. Okay, canines are 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. Okay, now fourth question. Premolars are 8 in number. Premolars. Premolar, either side of the canines we have premolars, this side to this side to, upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4. So premolars how many totally? Upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4. How many totally? 8 premolars. Either side of the canines incisors are present, either side of incisor premolars. Premolars each jaw 4, upper 4, lower jaw 4. 8 in number. That's why this is also true. This is a true. Okay, children. Next page. Next page. Matching the given enamel. 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 The hard outer layer of the teeth is called enamel. No, children. See. Enamel. Outer layer of the tooth. Okay, dentine. Dentine layer under the enamel. Okay, pulp. Innermost layer of the teeth is called pulp. So enamel, outer hard layer. Outer hard layer of the teeth is called enamel. This is the hardest substance in our body. Next, dentine, it is the lie under the enamel. Lie under the enamel. Now pulp, it is the innermost layer of the teeth. Innermost layer means it is the center part of the tooth. Okay. So see here, CAB. Okay. Now here, okay, time to answer. Complete the paragraph. See here, complete the paragraph. Tooth decay occurs. Okay, tooth decay occurs more commonly in children than the adults. Okay, the main cause of tooth decay is bacterial infection. Is it clear? Okay, so tooth decay occurs more commonly in children than the adults. Okay, and this is the cause of tooth decay, bacterial infection. What is the main cause of tooth decay? What is the main cause of tooth decay? Tooth decay main cause bacterial infection. Okay, it is common in children, you only. Okay, children. Now page number 45. Page number 45. Okay, they given 3 sentences. Okay, see here they given 3 sentences. Here, correct the following statement by changing the underlined words. Underline words. Rewrite the sentence. Microbes are big organisms. Okay, are they big? Microorganisms are very small. That's why you have to rewrite that sentence. Microbes are small organisms, right? Okay, now see here, the microbes which cause diseases are called germs. GERMS, germs. Okay, now see here, dash causes diseases like ringworm, fungi, fungal disease, no children. Ringworm is the fungal disease. Fungi causes diseases like ringworm. Okay, rewrite the sentence. Microbes are small. Okay, rewrite the sentence. Okay, microbes are small organisms. The microbes which cause diseases are called germs. Okay, fungi cause diseases like ringworm. But here they given page number 46. Page number 46 open. They given multiple choice questions for you. First question: which layer provides nourishment to the tooth? Nourishment to the tooth. Pulp. Okay, option B. Page number 46 and 47, they given multiple choice questions for you. Okay, see here, page number 46 and 47, which layer provides nourishment to the tooth? Pulp. Second question, see, an adult human has how many teeth? 32. Option C. Okay, now question number 3. See here, question number 3. The total number of incisors in each jaw. Total number of incisors. First front 4 teeth are called incisors, no children. So the total number of incisors in each jaw 4. Okay, option 4 correct. Okay, now the part of the tooth which we can see when we smile is called crown. Okay, Is it clear, children? Crown. Here four total number of incisors teeth in each jaw they are asking, no, 4. Okay. Now, okay, see here, first one pulp, option B. Second one, okay, adult have 32 permanent teeth, option C. Now, total number of incisors in each jaw, option D, 4. The part of the tooth which is visible when we smile, A. Now here the given blanks, the part of the tooth is visible to us is called crown. Crown. Next, milk teeth also called temporary teeth. Milk teeth also called temporary teeth. The outer layer of the tooth which helps in chewing food is called enamel. Okay, now fourth question, see. The pulp of a tooth is made up of blood vessels and nerves. Blood vessels and nerves. Okay. Crown, first one, crown. Second one, milk teeth also called, you know that, milk teeth also called temporary teeth. Okay, the outer layer of the teeth is called enamel. Outer layer of the teeth is called enamel. Pulp of the tooth is made up of blood vessels, children. Blood vessels and nerves. Blood vessels and nerves. 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 Now they given matching for you here. Okay, matching for you here. See. Okay, canines. Canines helping tearing the food. Okay, now premolars. Premolars helps to cracking and chewing the food. Incisors helps in cutting and biting food. Now molars. Molars help in grinding food. And enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. Is it clear? Now canines. Canines help in tearing the tough food. Tearing the tough food. Okay, premolars. Okay, cracking. Premolars, cracking. And incisors, cutting. A. Okay. Now fourth one, molars helps in grinding food. Molars helps to grind the food. Enamel, hardest outer layer of the teeth. Okay, children. Is it clear, Amma, matching? Okay, is it clear, matching? Okay, children. You have to enter all these and you have to read the textbook grammar, children. Textbook blanks, true or false matching. Okay, you have to read the first textbook. Okay, and then go to grammar. Okay, children. Bye. Have a good day, ma.